I need is one day, one time. All I need is one take, one line, and I'm gonna make you fall in love with me. And I'm gonna make you fall in love with me.
Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Deja Denise. Today I'm going to be doing a silk press on my transitioning hair. I am 6 months post relaxer. I'm going to be following Janay Mickles' silk press routine. I have everything except for her shampoo and conditioner. Quick disclaimer, I am going to be using heat. I am going to be using excessive heat, so just please keep it cute in the comments. I promise I used all the heat protectant that I could possibly use, so enjoy.
Yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding to kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. Still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car.
Alright sis, do we like it? Are we feeling it? I mean, I really like it. Of course it didn't come out as like Vavoom as her. She's a hairstylist and I'm not, but I like it. I think I did a really good job. And if you liked it, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye.
All I need is one day, one time.